Welcome to the world of zebras. Hi, everyone, Zebra today. We're diving into the fascinating world of zebras. Some of the most recognizable and unique animals in Africa. With their striking black and white stripes and their lively, social behavior, zebras are truly one of a kind. But there's so much more to them than meets the eye. Let's discover what makes zebras so special. What are zebras? Zebras are mammals, which means they're warm-blooded, have fur, and, like other mammals, zebra moms feed their babies with milk. Zebras are closely related to horses and donkeys, so they belong to the same animal family. However, unlike their relatives, zebras are covered in beautiful black and white stripes from head to tail. Their unique look helps them stand out from other animals. But zebras are much more than just pretty stripes. A zebra's stripes, nature's special design. Have you ever wondered why zebras have stripes? Scientists believe these stripes play an important role in protecting them. When zebras are grouped together, their stripes blend, making it harder for predators to focus on just one zebra. Imagine seeing a moving wall of black and white. It can be quite confusing for a predator like a lion or hyena. And here's a fun question. Are zebras black with white stripes or white with black stripes? It might sound like a riddle, but most scientists believe zebras are actually black with white stripes. This is because most zebras have dark skin underneath their fur. Each zebra's stripe pattern is also unique. Like a fingerprint, no two zebras have the same pattern, which makes them one of a kind. Different kinds of zebras. Did you know there are 3 main species of zebras? These are the plains zebra, the mountain zebra, and the Grevy zebra. Each species has its own unique characteristics and adaptations to survive in different environments across Africa. Plains zebras are the most common and can be found in large herds across savannas and grasslands. They have broad, horizontal stripes that cover their entire bodies. Mountain zebras live in rocky, mountainous areas, and have smaller hooves to help them climb. Their stripes are closer together, and they have a white belly, which sets them apart from other zebras. Grevy's zebras are the largest of the zebra species and are known for their narrow, closely spaced stripes. They also have larger ears and a more donkey-like build. Grevy's zebras are endangered due to hunting and loss of habitat, which means they are at risk of disappearing forever. Zebra behavior. Life in a herd. Zebras are highly social animals and live in groups called herds. Living in a herd helps protect them from predators, as there are many eyes to keep watch for danger. In a herd, zebras often groom each other by nibbling on each other's fur. This keeps their coats clean and helps them bond, strengthening their social ties. When food becomes scarce, the herd will travel long distances together to find fresh grass and water. This movement of zebras in large groups is a part of the Great Migration in Africa, where thousands of animals, including zebras and wildebeest, move together across vast landscapes in search of food. It's one of the most incredible wildlife events on Earth. What do zebras eat? Zebras are herbivores, meaning they eat only plants. Their favorite food is grass, which they graze on for hours each day. However, when grass is hard to find, they will eat leaves, shrubs, twigs, and even bark. Their strong teeth allow them to chew tough grasses and other plants that many other animals can't digest easily. Interestingly, zebras have a special digestive system that allows them to get more nutrients from low-quality plants, which is very useful in the African savannas where food can be scarce. This ability helps them survive even in dry seasons when food is less abundant. How do zebras protect themselves? Zebras have several ways to protect themselves from predators like lions, hyenas, and crocodiles. For starters, they can run fast, up to 35 miles per hour, or 56 kilometers per hour. If a predator approaches, zebras will alert the herd by making loud braying sounds. They'll then either run together as a group or stand their ground if they need to defend themselves. One of a zebra's strongest defenses is its powerful kick. With strong hooves and sharp reflexes, a zebra's kick is so powerful that it can injure or even kill a predator. Some zebras have even been known to break bones with a single kick. This defense is why zebras are often considered more aggressive than horses, especially in the wild. Zebra communication. Unique sounds and body language. Zebras communicate with each other using sounds and body language. They make different vocalizations, including barks, brays, and snorts. Each sound has a specific meaning, such as warning of danger, calling to other zebras, or greeting one another. They also use their ears, tails, and facial expressions to communicate. When zebras are calm, their ears stand straight up. But if they're angry or scared, their ears will be pinned back. Why don't people ride zebras? If zebras are so similar to horses, you might wonder why people don't ride them. While some people have tried, zebras aren't ideal riding animals. For one, zebras are smaller than most horses, and their backs aren't as strong, so they can't carry heavy loads. Additionally, zebras are much more unpredictable and wild than horses. They're known for their aggressive nature and are quick to kick or bite if they feel threatened. This makes them difficult to tame and ride. In fact, some zookeepers say it's safer to care for lions than zebras because zebras can be so temperamental. Threats to zebras: conservation and protection. Today, many zebra species are facing serious threats due to human activity. Grevy's zebras, in particular, are endangered, with only a few thousand left in the wild. Humans hunt zebras for their beautiful skins, meat, and sometimes even because they compete with livestock for grazing land. This hunting, combined with habitat loss, has reduced zebra populations over time. Thankfully, many people are working hard to protect zebras. Conservation efforts, like setting up wildlife reserves and educating local communities about the importance of zebras in the ecosystem, are helping. These efforts are essential for keeping zebras safe and allowing them to thrive in their natural habitats. The role of zebras in the ecosystem. Zebras play a crucial role in the African ecosystem. By grazing on grasses, they help keep the land healthy and prevent overgrowth, which benefits other animals as well. Their droppings also provide important nutrients to the soil, which helps plants grow and creates a healthy environment for other animals. Zebras are also prey for large predators like lions and hyenas, which means they are an important part of the food chain. By helping to sustain these predator populations, zebras play a key role in maintaining a balanced ecosystem. Fun facts about zebras. Zebras can sleep while standing up. Just like horses, zebras communicate through snorts, brays, and whinnies. A zebra's ears point in the direction it's looking, so you can tell where a zebra's attention is focused just by looking at its ears. Each zebra has a unique voice, so they can recognize each other's calls, even in large herds. Thank you for learning about zebras with me today. These amazing animals have so much to teach us about the beauty and diversity of nature. Join us again next time for more incredible animal adventures. Zebra Globe.